Hello guys. Like you can see, Zulu and I. Hi Zulu, say hi to my friends.
It is I, Zoulou.
We are going toward the RV now. This is where we're gonna have a video. Today we have an interesting video for you. Okay guys? You're about to see something special. We're not gonna be in the kitchen today. Zulu and I, we head into the RV for a special video. Hello, welcome to my channel, Monique Pacapella. Hello, my friends. This is a pleasure to have you again. This time, like you can see, we're not in the kitchen today, okay? I'm in my RV, spending time with Zulu. You know Zulu by now. She's been here how many times? 3 times? This is your third time.
3.
Yeah, this is her third time with us. So, this is Zulu. Today, we're going to talk about something special. We're going to talk about languages. We're going to talk about culture. That's different than the kitchen. I surprised you. I told you. I warned you. I warned you.
She warned you.
We're not going to stay in the kitchen all the time. So it's one of the videos that we're going to come with. So this is Zulu, like you know. She's my granddaughter, okay? Her real name is Jolene, right? She's got a YouTube channel herself too. She started when you were what, 5?
I started when I was 3.
She started a video a channel. She said when she was 3. I don't remember. I don't even remember. I think you were 5. But
it was 4 years.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Later.
She started since she was little. Yeah, that's right. You started from your mom's channel, which she was born on YouTube actually. Her mom channel, which is Going with the Joneses.
Going with the Joneses, yeah.
Going with the Jones. 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 Going with the Jones. That's her mom channel. So she grew up on YouTube actually. Then she ended up having her own channel when she was like 4 years old. I'm not sure. Anyway, so Zulu, you can check her out on her channel made by Jolene. Joline. Now it's a pleasure to have her with us today. So today we have our special video. Like you know, how many language you know you guys are able to speak? Do you know?
Is it 3? Creole, French, and English.
And Spanish. You didn't know that? I speak Spanish too. So I'm able to speak 4 languages, which for me, to me, it's a privilege. So, you know, the more languages you speak, it's the smarter you can get. So I know you speak English. What else do you speak?
I speak gibberish.
You speak Creole? Do you speak Creole?
And I speak Joj.
What is that? So if you want to know more about Zulu, she's born in United States, and your father too. Your father was born where? New York?
New York.
Your father was born in New York and your mother was born where?
In like Georgia?
No. You don't know where your mom was born?
I think I know. Don't tell me.
Where?
Was it?
She was born in Boston, Massachusetts. So your mother was born in Massachusetts, your father in New York, and your grandparents from your father's side are from Jamaica. And your parents from your mother's side are from Haiti. So basically you Haitian American Jamaican. You are rich in culture, you know that? You are rich. So you have a lot to learn about those 3 countries and to represent them, you know, proudly. So so today we're not going to talk about all the culture. We're going to talk about languages, okay? So this is where we are at now, okay? Stay with us. All right. So today what I'm going to do, like you can you already know by the title, I'm going to test Zulu's Creole. So I know she speaks English, but I don't know how much she knows in Creole.
I have really good English. But my mommy's cousins, which are like a little bit of my cousins, they don't understand me at all.
Which one? Oh, from Haiti?
No, from Paris.
Oh, Paris. Yeah, in Paris they only speak French, so yeah, they can. But oh yeah, the one that came, they understand a little bit of English, but
yeah, but they didn't understand.
I understand that. But now I'm gonna test Zulu's Creole to see how much she knows about Creole. So, wish her luck. I'm gonna say some sentences or some words in Creole, and she has to translate in English. Are you ready? Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna start with moins grand goût. What that mean?
I'm hungry.
Yes! Good job. Moins soif.
I'm thirsty.
Oh my goodness! That's good. Good job. Good job. Al manger.
Go eat.
Yes! Al dormir.
Go sleep.
Ooh, Zulu! She's doing good. Okay. Al bain.
I hear him crying.
Al bain.
Go shower.
Go
Or
shower.
bath.
Go take
Go
a bath.
take a bath or go shower. Like
Exactly. Good job. Okay. Moins content.
Moins content.
Moins I am. Moins content.
I am.
Moins content.
I am
Happy.
happy.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Moins content. I'm happy. Moins triste.
I'm sad.
I'm sad. There you go. You're doing good so far. I'm so impressed. I didn't know she knew that much in Creole. Moins remel. Moins remel.
I'm surprised.
Moins remel.
You're surprised?
I love you. I love you.
Oh.
Moins remel. When you say moins remel, that means I love you. Let's see some. Oh, woman a crié.
Roman is crying.
Woman is crying. Yes.
Because I can literally hear him. I'm like,
I will sit down.
go brush your teeth.
Bravo.
You say that to me all the time.
I say that all the
And
time.
I understand. So
You
of
understand
course I know
some.
that one.
Okay. Éteins lumière. Éteins lumière. The light.
Turn on the light?
Turn off the light. Éteins. Turn off the light.
That's what I said.
Turn off the light. Yes. Lumière, lumière. That's the opposite. Turn on the light. Lumière, lumière.
Every
Turn
time you
on
say
the
one of them and I know it's an opposite, so I'm like, that's probably an opposite.
Oh, okay. So I didn't know she knew that much. All right, now I'm gonna tell her some words, just some words, okay? Let's say I want to say Kai. House. Yes. Good job. And I want to say the correct map so they can hear. Let's say you want to say something like la rue.
Street.
Street. You're right. Good job. Let's say poisson.
Fish.
Fish. I didn't know she knew all that. Chat.
Cat.
Cat. Yes. Chien.
Dog.
Bravo, Zoulou. Bravo. Actually, she's doing
As
good.
soon as I heard the other shh, then I'm like, dog.
Chat,
like-
chien. Chat, chien.
I'm like, I'm done, dog.
Actually, you know what? She's doing good. I didn't expect that much from her, so I'm really pleased so far. So far, she's winning. She's a winner right there. So so what I'd like you to do is it's practice your French, because I'd like you to speak French as well. French is, if you can understand Creole, you can speak French because the words are similar, you know? The words are similar.
Yeah.
In Spanish, if you can speak French, Spanish is not a big deal. It's step away from French. So
I know.
you
it's
can
easy.
yeah. And the more languages you speak, you get brighter.
I have
more-
language class
you
in my school.
What do you take in school?
Language classes.
Like what language?
Spanish,
Really? Okay, keep focusing on that.
French.
Okay. I want you to practice those because, you
And
know,
English.
in English. So that's of course yes English.
Of course, English. I'm like,
So
how do you say uno in because you can't say one. How do you say uno in English?
okay.
One.
Okay. Now you're gonna count for me up to 10 in French.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bravo!
I'm
Yes,
out of
yes,
I'm
yes.
out of breath right
I'm
now.
asking because it went too fast. Let's do it slower now. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bravo! All right, so I think she's doing good. So now you need to practice more. You need to practice. The more you practice, the better you get at it. So imagine. Let me tell you something, guys. Imagine
Imagine a world with
I
only one language.
started my English in high school, actually. Yes. Up to high school, I couldn't speak English. So I went through high school. I took my English to the high school years. And the last year of high school, they brought us a teacher that couldn't speak. She couldn't speak anything else but English. So that was the best thing they could do. So by the end of the year, everybody could speak English. So that was a good thing for us. So a language is a way to communicate with other people. You know, the more languages you can speak, it's better. You know, so my next step, now I know I speak English, French, Spanish, Creole. My next one would be sign language. Remember, you used to speak sign language when you were a baby.
That's fine.
Your mother used to, because
Oh, like more.
Yeah,
And all
a lot that's
Yeah.
surprisingly babies can learn
Inside.
Spanish language so easily. I think you and Malu, they both could speak some words in Spanish language when they were baby, when they
I
couldn't
still
speak.
do it to my mom. I'm
You
like,
still do?
I'm like,
Yeah, surprisingly babies can speak sign language, even though they can speak out but can use their hands to communicate to adults, which was amazing. She was able to speak some sign language when she was a baby, and that was amazing. You know, that was a bright idea from her parents to do that. She could tell her when she was wet, when she wanted to drink, when she wanted to have milk, when she was thirsty, when she was hungry, when she went to sleep. She could tell you all that in sign language when she was a baby. That was amazing. I think I like the idea. So Zoulou, how many languages would you like to speak when you grow up? How many together would you like to speak?
10.
Okay, you're gonna tell me what they are?
French, Spanish.
We can hear you.
French, Spanish, Chinese, English, my special language. Of course, my special language. Creole. Creole.
Mm-hmm.
Old.
Did you say French or Spanish?
Oldie language. Oldie language. That's also my special language. Yes, I said French and
All right.
French and yeah.
So,
7.
well, that's good. Don't limit yourself. Okay, as many languages you can speak, that's better for you. So don't limit yourself. Okay. So I hope you go for your goal. Would you like to travel to those countries? So you
Oh,
can
and
learn?
I want to speak Japanese.
Would you like to travel to
I
those?
want to speak Japanese like my friend.
Good. Would you like to travel to those countries so you can learn the language better? Like I did for your mom, because I sent her mom to Paris so she could speak French. She came back to me. She was, at the time, she was speaking French fluently. That was a good idea. To go to school where you want to learn the language. If you want to speak Spanish, Japanese, you go to Japan for a year of school. You know, that's a good thing. You want to go to Paris to take French, you go there, and then you come back, you speak French. So would you like to go to Paris? Yeah, that's a good idea. If you go there, if you go to Paris for a year, you come back, you speak French.
A year?
A year. You spend a year of school over there. A year or two.
I'm graduating and I've been speaking French and I'm like, is that even my name?
No. I mean, that's a good idea. I mean, as many languages as you can speak, that's better for you. So that's good. I think we're going to end up the video here. Like you can see, Zoulou can speak Creole. And next time, Zoulou, we're going to test your French. So please work on your French. So next time, we're going to test her French to see how she can manage with French. All right. So if you like this video, please come up, comment, like, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe so you can watch us. Zoulou is gonna come. You're gonna see Zoulou with us, quite often. All right. Bye, Zoulou.
I've been here for 3 days, 3 videos.
Yes.
If y'all been thinking I've been going home and then staying one night, then go. It keeps on going and going and going and going.
All right. Say bye to my friends.
Bye, y'all.
Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.